Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm not a fancy cooker. I'm not a fancy guy who is gonna spend hours in the kitchen trying to find something. I'm always gonna fall into the opportunities of making something simple, convenient, and easy to grab and go. So this is where this Chef Boyard raviolis comes into place. First of all, the sauce is great. This guy here, I just dropped it in, put a little bit of salt and pepper in my pan, and it was just working nice. So just put it there for a couple of minutes, and these raviolis with the cheese in the inside, it just tastes great. So I would always fall for situations like this. The taste is great, the sauce is great, the texture and the cheese inside this ravioli, it just tastes awesome. So if you're looking for a simple, easy meal that you can just grab and go in every moment, if you have like what 5 to 10 minutes just to cook and start eating, this is gonna work great. This was John, WTI, and that was my point of view.